Harmony XB4-XB5-XB7 Pushbuttons and Pilot Lights Briefing. This document is an introduction to the Harmony offer diameter 22mm pushbuttons, switches and pilots lights XB4, XB5, XB7. You will see offer panorama, new products, offer structure, unique value of these offers, applications to target with these offers, and finally you'll have a quiz to assess your understanding of this training. Harmony offer overview. XB4, XB5, XB7 are the diameter 22 general-purpose pushbuttons ranges by Schneider Electric. Harmony XB4 is metal and modular, ideal for severe environments, especially applications requiring high impact and vibration resistance. Harmony XB5 is plastic and modular, ideal for applications requiring good resistance to chemical agents and/or double electrical insulation. Harmony XB7 is plastic and monolithic. With these ranges you benefit of a full range of functions: pushbuttons, e-stop, illuminated pushbuttons and pilot lights, and many special functions. With new products, you find a solution for all your needs. Connect to your machines the easy, secure way. Adjust your machine's timing settings. Precisely control your machines. Easily visualize 3-phase power supply for your panel. The new IP69 rated buzzer offers a dual audible and visual alarm. Dual alarm system with light and buzzer gets operators' attention even in wet, dusty environments, while the new explosive atmosphere range complies with extremely strict standards. Harmony provides an innovative and attractive design to improve the look and feel of control panels and machines. For XB4, metal heads, XB5, plastic heads, modular ranges, the same electrical blocks, contacts or light modules can be used. Harmony XB4-XB5 delivers all the features you need in industrial environments. Robustness without compromise. Compliance with international standards. Marine certified. Sealing effectiveness rated. Operating temperature range of -40°C to +70°C. Contacts and heads designed against vibration, ensuring secure mounting and wiring. High impact resistance, up to IK06. Standard and low load, high power electrical contact. Harmony range for greater efficiency, reliability, and connectivity. Simplicity and quick installation. Self-holding function of the actuator when mounting. Stackable contact modules. Reliable, friction-locked fastening width. Just one screw. Accessories compatible with the entire Harmony range. Excellent mechanical connection with operator head. Metal clip for retaining fixing collar to head. Square-edged clip on XB5 plastic body clip to secure fixing. Metal latching system for XB4. Clever operator head fixing. Square threads on body and fixing nut prevents damage or distortion from over-tightening. 3-point, screw-adjusted metal mechanism for XB4. Robust contact block clips. 3-point fixing gives secure and stable mounting. Fast and secure electrical connection. A unique shake-proof system. This provides long-term and secure connection, eliminating periodic retightening on our standard contact and pilot light blocks. Specialist contact blocks for extreme applications. Low power signals. Gold-plated contacts give high reliability, a failure rate lambda of 10-7 for 1 mA, 5 volts signal. Ideal for aggressive environments, where contacts may suffer pollution if operated infrequently. Low power switching in dusty environments. Additional gaskets improve contact chamber sealing to IP5X, dust resistant down to 50 micrometer. High current, low voltage DC loads. Secure switching of inductive or heavy DC loads directly, 100,000 operations at 10 amps, 24 volts DC. Flexibility of configuration and connection. A unique and unrivaled depth of range. Available with all type of connections. Screw clamp, spring clamp, fasten, PCB pins or plug-in connections. Additional gaskets improve contact chamber sealing to IP5X, dust resistant down to 50 micrometer. The assurance and value of a market leader. Node rating of performance up to a maximum of 3 contacts per row on 3 rows. Secure connection through patented screw clamp and spring clamp solution. Targeted applications. The Harmony Pushbuttons, switches, and pilot lights are designed for the command start-stop to make adjustments, and for the indication of the state of the electrical or automated system. Thank you.